5 things you should know about ASX stocks. To secure your future, you need to plan your present finances. You'd want to be financially stable both now and after you've retired. One way to do that is by investing in the stock exchange market. There are so many companies whose stock or shares you can buy to help you secure your future. However, you need to choose a company with a promising future to make more investments. ASX stocks are some of the stocks that you should consider while planning to invest. ASX stands for Australian Securities Exchange. It was created by a merger between Sydney Futures Exchange and the Australian Stock Exchange in July 2006. As you consider investing, here are some things you need to know about ASX stocks. First, the shares are well established in the share market. According to the free float market capitalization formula, the results show that it's the second largest in the Asia Pacific and the 8th largest globally. Thus, you can be sure about the validity and authenticity of the company stocks listed on this securities exchange. It has more than 2,000 listed companies, hence you have various options to invest in. The price of these stocks can either be the same as the fair value, undervalued or overvalued. Do you want to know how to find undervalued stock on the ASX? It's simple. You only need to compare the fair value of the stock and the current price of the stock. If the price of a stock is below the fair value, then it's undervalued and you need to check such things before investing. The advantage of investing in undervalued stock is that there is a huge potential of growth. Therefore, you may have handsome profits once the company in question grows in value. Second, they have a diversified portfolio. The stock listed on ASX are from different industries. This includes stocks from sectors such as communications, banking, insurance industries, technology, and others. You can also find shares from media companies and transport. This diverseness helps you spread your investment in different sectors. Thus, you are able to lower your risk and get a chance of making more profits. Third, the stocks are professionally managed. You don't necessarily have to be an expert in stock trading to invest in ASX shares. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to buy shares, there are different professionally managed products that you can consider. Some of them include exchange traded funds and managed funds. As much as you will need to do proper research before you invest, you don't need to worry about years of schooling to invest in these stocks because the managers have expertise and experience in trading. They'll help you pick winning strategies that will see your account grow constantly over years. Fourth, they have the S&P index, Standard & Poor. The Standard & Poor index is an important feature of the ASX platform which you need to be aware of to invest effectively in the stock market. The index tracks down 200 of the largest companies listed in ASX. It checks their overall performance and how it affects smaller companies. The index can act as an excellent guide to show you which companies you should invest in, whether short-term or long-term. 5. It's easy to invest. There are no significant complications when investing in the ASX platform. The general overseers and managers of ASX have made it easy for you to invest. This is to encourage potential investors. You can buy the shares by simply opening an account and start trading online, or consult a stockbroker who would guide you on how to trade and the best stocks to buy. Whether you are a first time or a long time investor, using a broker is an advantage. These online brokers facilitate the filling of your buy and sell orders. For the services they offer, you are required to give them some marginal fee for your investment. Other things you need to know include: there is no right amount to begin investing in ASX stocks. The only determinant is your investment goals and your financial situation. It's best to pay off all your debts first. Make a budget and set up an emergency fund. Most brokers say the minimum amount for any ASX trading in US in 500 USD. But still, other options like investing apps allow you to invest with a little as $5. You need to pay some fees and costs while investing in ASX shares, such as brokerage fees when buying and selling shares. As an investor, you will have to pay income tax on dividends and capital gains tax on shares as you invest in ASX shares. Conclusion: ASX stocks are an excellent investment option. They are well established in the share market. It's easy to invest in them. There is an S&P index for guiding investors. They have diversified portfolios and they are professionally managed products. Also note that there is no right amount to begin investing in the ASX stocks. The minimum amount for trading with most brokers is $500, and you'll have to pay brokerage fees in the course of your investment. Always remember, successful investment is about managing risks and not avoiding it.